We're going to do something a little different today. You're going to get two verses, which we've done before, but they're verses separated from one another, but still in the same chapter. Chapter 6, we're going to go to verses 16 and then jump to verse 19. There are 6 things the Lord hates, 7 that are detestable to him. Now, we're going to jump to just look at one of those things. One of them is a man who stirs up dissension. God loves those who promote harmony and unity. But sometimes we don't want that. We don't want to look like we're soft on sin or somebody who's in error. But anyone who gossips, spreads rumors, or even broadcasts damaging truths is not on God's list of favorites. Make sure you're not a source of division at work, school, in your family, or church. Better yet, make sure you're a source of harmony and peace. Now, the church in Corinth had a problem with keeping unity, which is why Paul wrote them about the matter. In 1 Corinthians chapter 3, verses 3 through 7, we read, "You are still worldly, for since there is jealousy and quarreling among you, are you not worldly? Are you not acting like mere humans? For when one says, 'I follow Paul,' and another, 'I follow Apollos,' are you not mere human beings? What, after all, is Apollos? And what is Paul? Only servants through whom you came to believe, as the Lord has assigned to each his task. I planted the seed, Apollos watered it, but God has been the one making it grow. So neither the one who plants nor the one who waters is anything, but only God who makes things grow." Then we're going to do the same thing we did with the verses. We're going to jump in 1 Corinthians to chapter 11, verses 17 through 19. "In the following directives I have no praise for you, for your meetings do more harm than good. In the first place, I hear that when you come together as a church, there are divisions among you, and to some extent, I believe it. No doubt there have to be differences among you to show which of you has God's approval." Paul held unity as a lofty ideal that had to be pursued and kept at all costs. That wasn't just for the church in Corinth. That's for you and me as well. That's it for today. Pretty good taste. Come on back tomorrow. We'll have the table set and do it all over again.